a.m. to invite. Why?
Thank you for that question. Like what we have in Filipino, the virginity of a woman depends. The virginity of a woman defines her as a fool, because being a virgin is like Marilyn.
Wow.
Fernando, what legacy will you leave to your school and your fellow students after you graduate? Thank you for that question. That's an awesome song. Well, if I'll be given a chance to get out of this school, then having a legacy, I will be the one who is always going to the chapel, and I'm very holy just like because of my teacher Jill, who is exponent. And I will share that. So when I get out of here, I want to have a monument there beside Arnold Johnson. Thank you.